Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to convert your static worksheets into responsive and digital worksheets that your students can engage with and have more fun. Whether you have a worksheet like this one, which is just this, you have a worksheet like this, that you have trusted textbooks, or you have worksheets like this one, you can, with your phone, you can take a photograph of it and then upload on your computer, and then you will be able to use it. So step back and watch this video. Beautiful. So when you get to your Chrome, you type in slides.google.com. Slides.google.com gives you this screen. And here it asks you, want to start a new presentation? Say yes, click start a new presentation. Start a new presentation, just like we have it here. So you have to get a wider screen space to use. I believe we can already pick some pictures, change slides and edit slides and that. So we'll go straight quickly into how to make our worksheets responsive so our students can write into them and send them back to us through Google Classroom or other means we want to use to deploy our worksheets. So I remove these placeholders, delete. I remove this too. The next thing I want to do is to name my presentation. Okay, so I can populate my slides here by clicking this plus sign to give me more slides. If I choose to, I can have that. I can also do just one, but I think I want to do just one worksheet. Now, under File, you see everybody knows that the normal presentation sheet on Google Slides is not the same as A4, but most of the worksheets we have, they come in A4. And when you measure your A4, you will know that it is 8.5 by 11 inches. So we go to page setup. If we want to get the best results, go to page setup and we custom, and we put there 8.5 by 11 inches, apply. So automatically it changes the sheet to an A4 style. Because I want to make my worksheets fixed to my page and the students will be able to write into it without deleting it or moving things around, I'm going to, the secret is to make the worksheet a background. So I'm going to say, choose background, choose image. So I'm going to choose image from my computer. Upload image from my computer. If I have it on camera, wherever I want to pick my image from, I can use it, but right today I want to use my computer. So I'll say, check my downloads. It's taking a while. Several things there. So I'll pick a file here from my downloads. Let me see if I can find something under recents. Recents, this yeah, but I need to quickly let you know that this the caliber of file you're supposed to use here is a file that is like a photo. So you rather use a JPEG or a PNG file. So let me say, for the purpose of this, I want to say choose my I'm got it. Okay, so we check this out. The zip file, so let me see here. So I have this. So this is a worksheet I made myself using Google Docs. So I'd want to use it for the purpose of this lesson. So it's going to upload it right away. Done. Choose image. Done. So this is the image. Now, here we have it. So I cannot move these images around, neither can any of the students move it around. It's fixed. So what I can do when the child sees this is just looking at the child, but we need to communicate something. I go to the text box, I pick a text box and I write, drag it here, and I say, right here, right, click, right here. I can decide to format the text. I can decide to make it colorful. I can decide to change the font of the text to trebuchet MS. I can decide to change the text to Verdana or comic. So however I want to format it, I can do some formatting. But whatever formatting I want to do, I must do it here and now because I am creating it right away. So I can also decide that, okay, I don't want the border to just be like that. I want it to be visible on the screen when they see it. So I want to make the border to be colored if I choose to. I can say give the border blue color and then make the border's weight to be 3 points. That's it. So once the student looks at the page, she sees, click to write here, they know exactly what to do. I think 3 points is heavy, so let's make it 2 points. All right, that's okay. So now I'm ready to take it around all the pictures on the page. So I copy. Copy here is Command C, and then Command V gives you paste. So if you are using Windows, you use Control C. If you are using the Mac, it's Command C. Command C, Command V. So I just duplicated more and I want to move them around. You can decide that your text box shouldn't be this big. You can make it smaller. It depends on how you want it to be. So fix the text box for all the pictures and we are ready to go. So the next thing to do is to share. Let's share our work with our students. Right here at the top of your page, you will notice that the padlock here shows that this document is private to me alone. So, but I want to share with my students. I will click the padlock and I say, please make it available to anybody that I want to have it. Right here, it is restricted only to people who are added by email or by link. But I will say change it to anyone that is with the link on the internet. With this, anybody that have the link on the internet have access to this document. So I'll say copy this link and then I want to go and share this link inside of my Google Classroom right away. So Google Classroom is something that comes with Google automatically. Google Classroom is automatically here with Google. So I can open my Gmail and I say Okay, I think I will have to stop sharing to come back here and get into Google Classroom. Okay, I can come here and I'll say classroom.google.com. I think there's already a classroom loading there. I have a lot of classrooms here, but I can decide to choose whichever one I desire. So it's opening my Google Classroom on my account. If you don't have a Google Classroom yet, this is exactly what you do. When you type classroom.google.com, you look at this plus sign, you can click to join a class or create your own class. If you are clicking to join a class, that means you already have the class code. But if you are creating your own class, you go ahead and create from scratch, and then you distribute the code to as many number of students you want to be in that classroom. So here I am with my all the classrooms that I have here. I can say, take it to language lab with Mrs. Ojimi. Okay, so we have this. Now I have copied the link, remember. I'll come to classwork because I am creating classwork for my children. So click on plus sign, which means add classwork. And I'm adding an assignment. Click on assignment and give it a title. What was that work? It's about language blends. Initial consonant blend. Okay, so I'll say follow instructions on the page and do the activities. And now I'm not creating a new one, a new assignment, but I'm adding what I've already created. So I will say add. I can add a link or a file from Google Drive or a file or a YouTube video. But here, remember, we have a link we are going to add. So I click link and it tells me to paste the link. But if I feel that this link is too long, I can always shorten it by using bits.ly or cuts.ly. But here I'm adding the link here. But let me say one thing quickly. If you are not adding that link into Google Classroom where students will be prompted to make copy for themselves, at the point of copy the link, you would remove this edit and put copy there. But right here, we are in Google Classroom, so we are covered. We don't have to bother or fear whether we'll have our work messed up or not. So I add link. So adding link, I'm almost done. This is one beautiful thing you must not forget to do. Click this and it will ask you, you tell Google Classroom to make a copy of that document for every student, and it makes a copy for every student. So everybody have their copy so that everybody is not working into one particular copy and get confused. Then my final step here, this is a language document. And there I can say those things were 12 pictures. I can decide to say it's 12 points. And I decide to due date. I can choose the due date. I can decide not to put the due date. The topic here, I can put a topic, initial consonant blends. And I am ready to assign my work now. And I say assign. Then to all students or to, is either you assign to all students or you assign to some few students. And I say assign. So that is how you can use Google Slides to make worksheets digital and send to your students through Google Classroom. So I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.